Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mind map for free using Canva. Whether you're planning out a project, studying for an exam, or just looking to organize your thoughts visually, mind maps are super powerful tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a beautiful, personalized mind map fast and without spending a dime. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Canva website. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, signing up is quick and free. Once you're on the homepage, I want you to look for the big Inviting Create button. It's usually up in the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. This first step is important because it opens a whole world of design options we'll use for your mind map. Next, from the menu of formats, let's select Presentation. Now you might be wondering, why choose a presentation and not something else? Well, presentations in Canva come with a generous canvas size, perfect for spreading out your ideas without feeling cramped. Plus, their layouts are super flexible, so you can really get creative with how you organize your information. Once you're inside the editor, take a look at the panel on the left. Click on the Elements tab and then in the search bar just above, type in Mind Map. Canva has an impressive library of ready-made mind map templates, and this is where the magic starts. Once you've typed it in, take a moment to scroll and preview the different designs. There's usually a wide variety, from simple branched layouts for straightforward ideas to more complex webs if you've got a ton to organize. Pick one that fits your style or the topic you have in mind. Just click it and it'll pop right into your canvas, ready to customize. Now comes the fun part. Let's bring your unique flair to the mind map by editing the details. If you've never used Canva before, don't worry, everything is drag and drop and you can click on any element, whether it's text, a line, or a bubble, to edit it. Say your central idea is healthy eating. Click the main circle and type that in. Each branch can be a different food group or a meal idea. Take a little time here. It's perfectly normal to pause and think about how you want to map out your thoughts. Remember, a good mind map should be both visually appealing and easy to follow. Don't be afraid to make some real changes to the template. Maybe the default colors don't suit your taste or you want brighter, more motivating tones. Just select a branch or bubble and use Canva's color picker to swap it out. You can even add effects like drop shadows or glowing outlines to highlight key ideas, especially if you really want something to pop. If you want to make your mind map more engaging, try adding small icons or illustrations from the Elements tab. Let's say a little apple image next to fruits or a broccoli for vegetables. These tiny details help your information stand out and are especially helpful if you're a visual learner. And that's really all there is to it. Once you're happy with your layout, colors, and details, just hit download or share. Canva lets you save your mind map as an image, PDF, or even present it directly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, free creative tips. Got any questions or want to share your mind map creation? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all and I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy mind mapping.